Hi, come on in. Today I'm going to show you how to hold your crochet hook and your yarn. Now there isn't any right way or wrong way to do this, it's entirely up to yourself, but some ways that you hold it can cause more strain into your wrist and also cause tension on your yarn. So I'll show you how I do it, and obviously try it, see how it works for you. But if you're happy with how you already do it, you do not need to change. Now, when you hold the hook this way and you are crocheting, it puts quite a bit of strain on your wrist here because of the way and the action that you're using to crochet. And you can really feel that strain as you start to do it. So crocheting for long periods of time can give you pain into your wrist and cause some problems there. How I hold mine is in what's called a pencil grip. So therefore it's resting here between your thumb and your finger. And the movement is less and it doesn't cause quite so much strain or stress here on the wrist, and means that I can crochet for quite long periods of time and I really don't get any pain there at all. So for my yarn, I hold it by putting it across my little finger, under my ring finger, over my middle finger, and then here I take hold of, with my finger and thumb, I take hold of the project that I'm working on. What this means, it can give me quite a nice tension. I can move my fingers along as I go. It gives me a nice tension, a nice way to be able to hold it. And when I'm going to actually crochet, you can see you almost have a natural way to just, where your yarn is here, you just hook it over. You've got that natural space right there with your yarn coming through, hooking it over and pulling it through. Helps to keep the tension, and as I move across, so if I was doing a stitch here, I would move across. You can see that my fingers help to keep that tension on my work, so it helps to keep it even, and they move along with me. And as I do this one, my thumb moves up, that's where I hold it, pulls it through, yarn over, my thumb automatically moves up, and I do the same again. Helps to keep the even tension going, moving along. Now some people do wrap their yarn here around their little finger or around the middle, or I know that some people do with this. I find that that causes quite a bit of tension on the yarn and makes the tension for your crochet itself to sometimes become tight. I do hold it quite, not tightly, but where it is not going to just run through too loosely between my little finger and my ring finger. And this helps to cause the tension, but it pulls through reasonably easy, as you can see, without me actually having to move my fingers at all to get that to happen. And again, this just helps with not having to move too much, helps to stop that repetitive strains coming into your fingers. You're not having to hold them at too odd an angle, not finger way up here where it can become quite strained and tight and sore. Quite gentle, really easy on your hands and fingers, and it's a good way to do it. If you need to rewind this just to see how I hold it again and how I hold the yarn, try it, see if it works for yourself. If not, then obviously please do use your own method. I am not saying it's a right or a wrong way to do it. This is just easier on your wrists and your fingers. Thank you for watching, for keeping me company, and I'll see you in the next one.